Someone there?
Where am I? What's going on? Moving ahead. On my way.
Not a sound.
What path lies before me? The shock you see now, see your whole world as a meal, a memory, buried.
As the symbol glows, power courses through you. Authority.
So it's need to keep focused. Time to meet your maker. With every breath, a purpose. Out of the shadows.
Now what?
Where do I go from here? Ready. I will ascend. She is still ravenous, her mind a hungry pit. Without delay. Her you taste the blood in her throat, feel it pooling in the cavity of her skull. But she still resists your
There's an illicit parasite in that corpse.
Bye. Are any of my crew still up? This whole resin roads mud. We're bound for Boulders. Tell the fellow on the door. Little serpent.
That's a friendly looking shadow. Ready for anything. At least things have stayed interesting.
If this isn't important. Tread carefully. It's mine now. You don't? What's that?
Let's move. Very well. Open up. That should more than suffice. Time to press ahead. What's inside? Wish I had a bag of holding. My patience wanes. Not one false move.
won't work.
Something smells tasty, just like old times. Time to die.
What's in here? Don't waste a step. Just what I need.
Given the magnitude of what we're up against, your confidence in our... We all have our... But I do not yet need... Oh! Nothing would back... Seek and you shall find me.
I shall be here in... As...
Tell me, Lae'zel, when you say we might be purified at your creche, my condition likes being ignored as little as I do. I must consume another artifact. And soon. Listen, I need to speak. She revealed herself. I sought a We come now to the What if?
Its teeth. Its
As long as I absorb... I swear to... All of this.
I'm in two minds.
Nah.
I'm ready.
Maggots will be done.
Looking ahead.
Way to the nearest line.
I've got a long road ahead. We get along quite well, I think.
Who'd keep a secret like... Well, obviously...
Pave my path with corpses. Build my castle with bones. Don't mind if I do. Smoke. Something's burning. I hear shouting. Someone needs help.
Ignorance breeds madness.
should all be running.
The heat coming off that door. Opening it could spell trouble.
Come!
What's hiding here?
Fire! Hurry! Get this thing off me! He slaughtered everyone. Mary. Oh, Mary. No.
Seems like a good moment to talk.
May I trust you'll see. By the time aid... I fear that may have been... I will...
Looks like there's a chest buried in that hay.
You should have stayed. If I just kept my mom. She said, you did.
I'll feel that one later. This is the spot Rugen marked. Doesn't look like much.
You spot
Bugger!
Don't want to draw any attention. Breathe deep and move. One day I'll catch a break. No traps, please. Look at that.
That's far enough. Then your answer decides his fate. That just tells me you've met my...
I spotted a trap. Move the purpose.
You steal anything, you're dead.
You've already brought... Our trader can...
I want to have a word.
Needs light to work, he says. We had a chat. Turns out he needs...
You need to... And my...
If you have the gold, I doubt you've got that kind of dosh line about. All right, so maybe I'll... He's all...
Well, you should at least... But,
You recall a recent...
right, and... Say, no...
All right, back already? Of course. Got some interesting stock for a friend of the family. Pleasure.
Blackets will be done. All right, what now? Should mind my step. I don't need any attention right now.
Not this hide and seek stuff.
Just thought of something.
Will's
Hells. I know I haven't. All the more reason to. I wanted you to know that I'm all for it. Not to say I didn't. Tempting.
Another step forward. Ready for anything. Undetected. Still breathing, despite everything. With haste.
Did I see you drawing something earlier?
So, you can do a better job than that paunch you saw.
Keep it up, little brother. Might be I can sell you someday.
Oh,
Like Ma always wanted.
Schools for careful footwork.
Don't want open flames where we're going.
Light on my feet. How much farther can I go? If everyone else minds their business, I'll be fine. Swift as my feet can carry me.
I hope the fist tries to storm in. want to see those traps in action. I see you drawing something earlier. So, you can do a better job than that concept shop.
Keep it up, little brother. Might be I can sell you something. Like Ma always wanted.
Can't afford to stay idle.
Oh, enough waiting. I crave blood.
Strip this place bare!
I can do better. I must. Let's have a look. Have to keep going. My patience wanes. Unseen.
An efficient path.
Into the shadows. Can't afford to stay idle. I will ascend. Again! Need to stay focused. Half life before me. Always room for more. Something good here, I hope. That's curious.
A false wall. Sneaky.
Seems simple enough.
Ah, a visit? I do enjoy a good bargain. If anything in my private collection is to your liking.
Indolence breeds madness. Wretched thing. Pull yourself together. I wonder if the gods are watching me. What's up for discussion?
Dost thou require? Very well. Impossible. Dost thou require an as?
Some next time.
No point in lingering now I've got the noble stock. Better wait till the hubbub's. No point in lingering now I've got the noble stock. That's... Will be no point in lingering now I've got the noble stock. This'll do. No point in lingering now I've got the noble stock. Have I got everything then? No point in lingering now I've got the noble stock. Looking ahead. To the hubbub. Will be no point in lingering now I've got the noble stock.
Let's get going.
How long have we been down here?
All is ash and meat. Something's on my mind.
Will no point in lingering now I've got the noble stock. This'll do wonders for the
Have
shop.
a lot on my mind. And, well, in it.
Still in control. Just.
Will be no point in lingering now I've got the noble stock. Have I got
Shouldn't have
everything?
wished to live in more interesting times.
Can't give up now. I need a quick word.
Will no point in lingering now I've got the noble stock.
Have I been this way before? Look at that beast. Seems almost too big to take flight.
It would be too much to hope that's nothing to do with us, wouldn't it?
You go a lifetime without seeing one, and then they won't stop pestering.
No.
Our queen.
Still alive. So that's progress.
I'm ready. Whatever it takes.
Best be on my way. All right, time to skulk about. Have a lot on my mind, and, well, in it.
What to do?
This vessel is art thou sir.
At the ready. Always a pleasure.
All blood I'll spill with this sword will feed Queen Vlaakith's legacy.
Lae'zel gave a thorough...
The silver inches that... Yet your head... Unless, of course... Keep me... I had assumed up... And now this voice. I thought you witless.
And you're hardly bland. Do you? I am what I must. It is. Oh, action, not reaction. These birds have seen everything.
What could they accomplish?
It seems to be the perfect. You made it. Well, and no tadpole. Go on. Don't stop now. Not just as things are getting interesting. A lot of the nearly like what? Thank you.
She trails off.
That didn't hurt.
First in my heart.
All's well, I hope. And but if you want to see where this goes.
Quite the cozy setup you have here. I'll just make myself comfortable. Thank you so much. Welcome back. I do enjoy a good bargain. If anything in my private...
Oh, enough waiting. I crave blood. Never a dull moment. Light on my feet.
Do vampires actually drink blood out of goblets like in the storybooks? Doesn't seem very fresh.
Straight from the neck is preferred, but goblets are used in mortal company. They say...
Will be no point in lingering now I've got the noble stock.